Hello friends, so I was trying to go out and shoot some videos of the snowstorm outside. Here's the backyard, and then I found this. Check it out. Can open the door, and that's why there's a lot of snow accumulation outside. Luckily, so I'm trapped, at least when it comes to getting out of the kitchen. Luckily the front door is not all that covered with snow because we have a front porch, and that's helping. But as you can see, the lower screen is gone, and there's a lot of snow accumulating in the front door. That's like what, half a foot or so of snow. So here we go, or rather here I go. I'm gonna have to clean that up before I get trapped in my own home.